In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Azure virtual machine, whether it is a VPS server or an RDP server. So you may have created an Azure virtual machine previously, and maybe it's not working well, or maybe you are just done using it. So how can we delete it? Come to your Azure dashboard and click on virtual machines. So this brings you here, and now choose the virtual machine you want to delete. In my case, I want to delete this one, Tutorial VPS. So click on it. Now this opens up a panel, and what you can do to delete it is just click on delete up here. Now you have to agree to delete all of its resources. So I can click on apply first delete, and also I want to delete its network interface and its public IP address. So click I have read and understand that this virtual machine as well as any selected associated resources will be deleted. Then confirm by clicking on delete. So you will see up a notification here showing you that the resources are being deleted. Then after a few minutes, you will see successfully deleted the virtual machine. Now if you refresh this page, you see clearly that the virtual machine and its resources have been deleted. So that's it about the video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing.